If you use Discord every day, knowing how to manage friend requests can save you time and help you keep your friend list organized. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to view incoming requests, accept or reject them, and even cancel requests you already sent. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Discord PC app on your computer. Once Discord loads, look at the top left section of the app and click on Friends. This takes you to your main Friends page, where you can see your current friends list and access request management options. If you do not see it immediately, make sure you are in the desktop version of Discord, since the layout can look a little different on other devices. Now, at the top menu, you will see a section called Pending. Click on Pending to open all the friend requests that are waiting for your response. This is where Discord keeps both incoming requests from other users and outgoing requests that you have sent but have not yet been accepted. If someone has sent you a friend request, you will see their name listed in this section. From here, you can choose to accept the request if you want to add them as a friend, or reject it if you do not want to connect. Just click the appropriate button next to their name, and Discord will update it right away. Accepting adds them to your friends list, while rejecting removes the request from your pending list. If you want to cancel a friend request that you have already sent, look for the request you sent to that person. Next to their name, you should see an X icon. Click that X icon to cancel the request instantly. This is useful if you sent a request by mistake, changed your mind, or just want to clean up old pending requests that are still waiting. And that is how to manage friend requests in Discord on PC. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it gives you full control over who can connect with you. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.